The homepage serves as your creative control center, offering an intuitive, efficient, and inspiring AI experience. Key features: AI assets section, seamlessly access tools for creating AI images and AI videos powered by cutting-edge models like Kolors and Kling. Explore the possibilities of image and video generation with ease. Anticipate a dedicated editor for fine-tuning and polishing your creations. Trending content. Trending shorts. Browse popular short videos created by the community for inspiration. Trending creatives. Discover standout projects that showcase the full potential of Kling AI. Personal workspace. My creatives. Organize and revisit your past projects in one convenient location. My models. Access and customize AI models to match your creative vision. From this page, you can dive into creating images or videos, explore trending works for inspiration, and keep track of your ongoing projects. Kling AI's user-friendly design ensures you're always a click away from your next masterpiece.